Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jocelyn A. Costillas from my DMCI Homes journey. For today's vlog, let's join my client for the first ever acceptance of unit at ALDER Residences. I am so happy kasi nabigyan ako ng chance to join my client, Attorney Clarence Alcordo, in accepting her 3-bedroom unit at ALDER Residences. Si Attorney ang kauna-unahang kliyente na tatanggap ng unit sa ALDER Residences. ALDER Residences is located inside Acacia Estates, adjacent to the Ready for Occupancy Cedar Crest and just in front of Mahogany Place 3. This newly turned over ALDER Residences is just minutes away from key locations such as Bonifacio Global City, Makati, and Airport. So without further ado, let's check the 3-bedroom unit of Attorney Clarence. It's a corner unit with a total area of 84.50 square meters. Fully finished na ang unit. Sa kitchen, kasama na sa turnover ang granite countertop with cabinet system, kitchen sink, faucet, provision for refrigerator, gas range, and range hood. For the air conditioning naman, may provisions na para sa split-type aircon. Literal na livable na ang unit upon turnover. Furniture and fixtures na lang ang kailangang i-provide ng kliyente. Now, let's go to the ground floor. Andito ang reception lobby, bar area, game area sa ground floor. Katapat din ang Andea Building and drop-off at main gate of ALDER Residences. Bilang si attorney ang kauna-unahang kliyente that accepted her unit, hindi mawawala ang photo ops. At syempre, sinama ako sa photoshoot. Kaya naman ang taas ng energy level ko sa excitement. At ngayon naman, let's check the construction updates of the remaining 3 buildings. This building is Manzuria Building, which is scheduled to be turned over this September 2024, then the Oregon Building, December 2025, and the Sylvan Building naman, March 2026. Amenities like swimming pool, linear park, and others will soon be operational para magamit ng mga unit owners ng Andea Building. Sa kabuuan, ang ganda ng ALDER Residences, maaliwalas, mahangin at talaga namang malawak. Para kay Attorney Clarence and to all my clients who invested in this project, congratulations! Nakakatuwang isipin na bagamat dumaan ang ALDER Residences sa mga panahon ng pandemic, ay hindi ito naging hadlang para madelay ang turnover ng first building, Andea Building. This is because DMCI Homes is committed to delivering its project on time or even ahead of its schedule. And in case any of you, our valued clients, are interested in investing in a unit at ALDER Residences, I am happy to inform you that there are still units available. Prices for 2-bedroom units starts at 9.1 million with a promo payment term of paying only 12% down payment. This can be paid either in cash for ready for occupancy units or spread over 21 months if you are willing to wait until the turnover after 21 months. Another DMCI Homes property inside Acacia Estates is Mulberry Place with a turnover date scheduled between 2027 and 2028. Prices for 2-bedroom units also starts at 9.1 million with 3 payment options available. 12% down payment with a 1% discount on the list price. Since the down payment can be spread until turnover date, clients will only pay around 26,000 pesos per month for the monthly down payment, with a balance to be paid in 2027 either in cash or through financing. Please send me a message or contact me through my Viber, Globe, or WhatsApp account, or you may also send a message in a comment section below. And that's all for today's video. I hope you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more DMCI Homes updates. Bye!